Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to increase row heights here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Increasing the row height here in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that allows more text to be visible, making it easier to read longer entries without scrolling or expanding cells. Because taller rows helps in presenting information more clearly, especially when working with complex data. Once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, I want you to open the file that you're going to work with. In my case, I'm going to click this file and then now, once you are inside the file that you're working with, for example, this is the row, and you wanted it to increase the height. But the thing is, as you can see, there's no option doing that. You can only have like drag this here and drag it down on this corner. But to see, the row or the cell, if you wanted to call it that, you don't have any options to it. Even if you right click, there's no option. But the smart workaround is simply select the row or cell that you're wanting to increase the height adjustment and click this magic button that says wrap, because it'll make all text visible within a cell by displaying it on multiple lines. If you do that, I'm going to type in something, like for example that one. Now, all right, so for example, you put it on the predecessor here. You see, you can only drag this around here, but if you click the wrap, you see that it increases. Okay, so that's the only way that you can work with in dealing with row height here in Smartsheet. For example, I'm going to put in some more data. For example, this one. Click on wrap, you see. That's it. Let's put in more information. Now, as you can see, adjusting row height can enhance the overall aesthetic and clarity of the reports, giving them a more organized and professional appearance. These adjustments improve both usability and the presentation of data in Smartsheet. And of course, once doing that, you can put in some colors to make it stand out, like this, after adjusting the row. This is particularly useful if you're working with multiple collaborators within the project that you are involved with. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.